Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, you're going to get a point of view style of me driving this car. Now in this video, you'll see me driving locally as well as driving on the motorway kind of style. And then you'll also see a 0 to 50 test. And then at the end of the video, you'll get some impressions of what I think about this amazing car. I'll also show you what MPG I get from driving this car for about an hour. Check out the AMG playlist or the C63 playlist for more videos on this car and other models. Now I want to say a big thank you to Lookers, Mercedes-Benz of Wolverhampton for helping me make this video possible. Now I'm back just after a quick drive, and let's see what kind of MPGs have I done. So 14.9 MPG. I wasn't driving it softly, let's just put it plain like that. I wasn't driving economically, you can see. Be good to know what, you know, you guys with the C63 V8s, either the 205 or the 204s. Be good to know what kind of MPGs are you guys getting. If I go on consumption, got that information there. Very interesting. Now this car is electric off the mark. When you've seen the car do the 0 to 50 test, you can just see how fast this car is. Now the hybrid system and the engine work seamlessly, which is fantastic engineering. When the car sets off, you can kind of feel like the car's got a turbo, but I think it's the electric motor that actually kicks in, and then the turbo kicks in, and then the engine. It's just, I don't know how to describe it, it just seems seamless. Now, to get the maximum potential, you do need to charge this car. You can drive it without charging, which is convenient. Now, I think a lot of people will most likely use electric mode when in stop-start traffic, or pulling into their home so they don't disturb the neighbours. Now, this car is special, but a lot of people have dreamed of owning a C63. We have been spoiled by having V8s in the previous versions. Hopefully, the new CLE Coupe will come with a V8, which will give us that desire of a V8 fulfilled. If there's anything you think I haven't answered in this video, let me know if you have any questions and I can answer them in the comments. Now the final thing I'm going to do is show you how this sounds when you listen to the car outside revving it. Now let me know, what do you think of the sound of this car in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn the full specification of this car, watch the video in the top right corner or find it in the description below. Please subscribe as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the Mercedes playlist for more videos, including videos on how to use the main features of Mercedes models. There are videos on how to connect your phone to the car, how to use the self-parking feature, and even videos on how to use cruise control and speed limiter. Thanks for watching.